monetize and make money on Substack? We're gonna talk about it right now. I'm Suhaiti and I'm an OG blogger, freelance writer, and romance author. I'm so excited to dig into this Substack topic. How do you make money on Substack? The main way that people try to make money on Substack is through paid subscriptions. That's what Substack really was created for writers to write and get paid subscribers. So how much can you actually make as a Substack writer that offers paid subscription? Well, Substack takes 10% of that pool of what you make from paid subscribers. Plus, Stripe takes about 1.9% to 3% depending on international fees and transactions from that pool that Substack takes. So you're looking at about a 13% takeaway. So let's do some math. I'm not that good at math. I'm a writer, but it's 13% that you are basically allocating to Stripe and to Substack, and then you keep the rest. The average cost for a subscription is about $5 to $7. So the money that you can actually make on Substack with their fees and Stripe's fees really depends on how many people are subscribed for free to your Substack newsletter, and then usually there's about a 5 to 10% chance in terms of conversion. So you do the math. It is possible to make money off Substack when you use a subscription model, but you have to have a lot of subscribers, free subscribers, and then convert those subscribers in order to quit your day job. I go more into depth about the pros and cons of Substack right here in this video. So if you haven't checked that out, check that out right after this one. So fellow writers, what other ways can you monetize and make money on Substack? There is another way. That includes affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling your own products. There's a misconception that Substack does not allow you to do any of those things, but I read the fine print, fellow writers, and it can be done. Let's start with affiliate links. You can add affiliate links from Amazon or any other affiliate marketing company that you use, but there is a catch. The majority of your content cannot have affiliate links. They want to make sure that your Substack newsletter is more about you as a writer and less about you as a seller and an affiliate marketer. The third way that you can make money on Substack outside of paid subscribers and affiliate links are through sponsored posts. So if you are an influencer, you can work with a marketing team, an advertiser, a product, a brand to create a sponsored post for them, which yes, usually has links. Again, Substack does not have any language saying that it is not allowed, but you are not supposed to create a Substack newsletter for the sole purpose of selling anything, including your own products or products from another brand. And yes, you can sell your products on Substack. This makes sense to me that Substack does not have a rule on monetizing your Substack newsletter with your own products, because we're writers and writers write books. So you're going to tell your subscribers, free or paid, that your book is coming out. You might journal and write about that experience and have a huge premiere and an event link that you post in the newsletter so they can attend the virtual book premiere. Or you might just want to market all of your products even if you're not selling books. Again, the only caveat is that your content cannot solely be based on you selling your products. So what's the solution? I believe that the best course of action to monetize on Substack is to do a little bit of everything and feel out what it is that works for you. You can offer paid subscriptions, see who bites, and you can add affiliate links or sponsored posts or sell your own products, especially if you're an author. Whatever you gravitate towards, I would create a plan around that. And Substack does not have a ratio or a percentage where they say 50% of your Substack content has to be without links. So it's really up to you because there aren't any rules. I think it's really about finding the balance. I would create newsletters on Substack that are free in the sense of the word outside of paid subscribers and have less links, less products, less marketing, and more of just your beautiful writing. And then I would maybe create a plan where you lay out what newsletters are going to have those affiliate links, sponsored posts, and or products that you're selling. That way there's a balance and it doesn't ring the alarm for Substack that you're only using Substack as a platform to market or to sell. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this content resonated and that it helped. Leave in comments what you plan to do, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. It really helps. Till next time.